Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's begin the start today. Let tarot speak to us. Let's take a gentle breath and imagine this. It's nighttime, deep, quiet, and velvet blue. Above, one large 8-pointed star shines brightly, surrounded by 7 smaller stars twinkling close beside it, like little guides in the dark. Beneath that sky, a serene nude goddess kneels by a clear pool. One hand pours water onto the land, filling 5 small streams. The other hand pours water back into the pool, keeping the flow alive. Behind her stands a green hazel tree, and resting in its branches is a red and indigo bird, a spark of spirit and sound. In the distance, soft purple hills mark the horizon. It's peaceful, grounded, and filled with a quiet kind of hope. The card seems to whisper, the storm has passed, but you are not lost, just finding your way forward. The big star in the middle, think of it as our spiritual lighthouse. The 7 stars beside it mirror our 7 chakras, the energy points that guide how we live, feel, and connect. The goddess isn't just pouring water randomly. One jug waters the earth, which represents our everyday life. The other flows back into the pool. That's our inner world. It's a quiet reminder that what we give out and what we keep within both matter. The position of one foot in water with one knee on land, this speaks volumes. She's grounded, but also listening inward. She's balancing what's real and what's intuitive. So ask yourself, where in your life could you see that kind of calm, steady balance? Upright position, the star is a deep breath after the storm. Hope begins to return. Fresh ideas sparkle like starlight, perfect for dreaming and future plans. You may feel healing start to flow, emotionally, spiritually, or even physically. It's that sense that the universe hasn't forgotten you, that something good is always unfolding. If reversed, the light feels dim or distant. You might be feeling discouraged, tired, or unsure which way to go. Sometimes, this card comes up when we have been giving so much that our inner pool starts to run dry. If that's the case, pause, reset, and gently refill. Healing may be slower, but it's still happening beneath the surface. So how can we carry the star's energy into daily life? Start something simple. When you wake up, ask, what gives me even a tiny bit of hope today? Write it down, even one small action, like reaching out to someone kind, sipping water with intention, or taking a quiet walk, can keep your inner light glowing. And when things feel heavy, step outside and look for an extra star. Even on cloudy nights, it's still there. The star teaches us that light isn't about perfection, it's about staying connected, even when we feel uncertain. Alright, are you ready to follow your own guiding light? That's the star for today. In our next video, we will follow the night deeper and meet the moon, keeper of dreams, shadows, and inner truth. If this message resonates with you, share your little moments of hope in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, keep looking up, trust the flow, and let tarot speak to you.